Sanskriti Kolkata YouTube episode number 145, and today's episode is on beautiful floral digital prints, variety of digital prints, and also some mull cottons and all sarees all within very economical budget friendly range. So please watch the video. Myself, Lalia Dattu. Product number 1. This is on art silk. This is blended silk. It's satin silk, but it's blended definitely because you can understand from the range. But even if it is blended, we try to give the best quality even if it's in art silk. So this is a soft satin finish, lovely shade of, it's a very unique shade of blue with all over kalamkari digital print, zari woven border. See the zari, it's a very smart dhala zari with pallu zari stripe, 3500, 3500. This is the pallu part, and all over floral kalamkari, traditional kalamkari print, but digital print of course, all over. Sometimes you do need economical range sarees for gifting purpose also, and also for regular wear, which like we wear imitation jewelry, right? But there has to be some good designs in imitation jewelry which definitely attracts you. So that this is the same thing. You are wearing blended product, but see the color, the print, the design, the quality should be good. Product number 1, 3500. Product number 2. This is a very fashionable, very bohemian, very chic looking digital print, and I would like to show. See, these are Pichwai prints, digitally done. Pichwai design, Pichwai motifs, Mughal Rajasthani motifs. See, it's a lovely checkered. It's very fashionable, you can really, mix and match, lovely. It's a very smart looking chic sari, digital print, Pichwai digital printing with blouse. The blouse has, jute blending, the weave, it has slight zari and jute weaving. So it's a very heavy quality, very smart looking blouse piece also in burnt red. And this is the sari. See, it's a very soft, actually very soft art silk. Very fashionable, very soft. Now see another number 3, 2990. Both the prices are only 2990 rupees. See this one also, 2990. What a fashionable sari. The border is in zari, okay, and the body is again Pichwai painting but digitally printed. This pallu will have zari and jute. 2990 only. Product number 3, 2990 rupees. Very artistic, fashionable sari. This will have this blue self printed jute woven blouse piece. With tassels. Another art satin silk. See the color combination. The satins that we see, but see the color, it's a earthy tone with tulip florals. Lovely, very pretty and again very fashionable, very smart looking sari. Again zari woven blouse piece in stripe. 3,500 for this. I have few more colors. Onion pink, number 5, 3500. The same sari in different print and color. Beautiful shades. These are very unique shades and unique prints too, not the regular digital prints florals that we see, because this is all on tone. This is the blouse piece. See, it has a self print with zari weave. $3,500 for this. This is Chanderi. But the colors all digital florals. These kind of saris I've shown before, but these are new prints that has come. 2,500 zari woven border, 2,500. It's a beautiful unique shade with again self florals. See the color and the print. Lightweight, soft, inch zari with this self printed blouse piece. So the body has a touch of pink, the blouse doesn't. Pallu, big flowers. Again another Chanderi print, 2,500. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. Both are very close by, but you can visit both the branches because their stock is slightly different from in both the branches. But to get this particular product, prior booking is important, otherwise you will not get the same product. You have to first come first serve basis, you have to make the transfer in the bank business account. We will give you the current account. This is the blouse piece. Account details, once the transfer is done, we will ship it to you within 2 working days, 2 to 3 working days, and you are paying to a business account. Once we confirm the payment, only then make the transfer please. 2,500. And after making the payment, you will have to give the address and the phone number, the shipping address and the phone number where it has been shipped. It needs to be shipped in one message, please, in one message. Your name, address, phone number in one message after the payment. This is also a lovely shade of green, floral, very cool color combination. 2,500 lightweight Chanderi zari border. All economic range saris, but very fashionable and skin friendly, comfortable. This is the blouse piece. This is again kota finish, very soft, and a Banarasi weave. This is the blouse piece. So okay, the sari, the fold is ulta. Let me so this is the blouse pallu part. Product number 93990. Very soft, lightweight kota, silk kota. Zari woven border and buta Throughout it will have the same butta, but since it's tone on tone, it's showing a gorgeous bright butta with digital printing. And here is the gold woven blouse piece, antique gold blouse piece. Very, very classy color combination, a classy print, and also it's very, very soft. You will love this saree. Those who love to wear earthy tones, lightweight, these color are very, very apt for them. Number 10. This is also a very nice color. Rustish peach. It's a copperish zari, just to blend with the color. Sundays we are open now. 10 o'clock to 8 p.m. we are open till Durga Puja. This is the blouse piece. Again, full woven blouse piece within this range. It's a very, very pretty saree, very gorgeous, ideal for gifting also. 3990 for this. In case I'm just check out, the price are all mentioned in the screenshot. We have the Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where these all will be uploaded in album sarees within 4,000. Number 11, same fabric, only the print is different. All the sarees I am draping so that you can understand not only the look of the saree after wearing, but also the fall of the saree. So you can very clearly understand how the fall will come when I make the pleats. This is again the blouse piece for this. See the pleat, how the pleat is coming. Can you see how well it's falling? Nice, bright and floral, but earthy tone. 3,990 rupees, product number 11. This is very pretty saree. These are all very pretty ones because I'll show you for 4 colors. So this is the 4th one in pista. See the pallu. I'll show you the back part. You might think, see how well the zari weave is done. See the buttas, so well cut. And main thing is so soft. These colors are, very classy colors and can be worn throughout the year, day and evening. This is the blouse piece. Also any age. We have the WhatsApp numbers provided. Please book your sarees just with the screenshot only to any one of the WhatsApp numbers. No phone calls, only WhatsApp bookings will be accepted with the screenshot. You can check out our WhatsApp status also, where new collections are uploaded regularly, and also sometimes if the old collections which you inquire, the regular stock, the all-time evergreen stocks which you love and we recreate, whenever they are available, we put it up in the status. You can have a look at the status in both the WhatsApp number provided. Only 2,990 rupees, linen Banarasi digital print. 2,990 for this. With, see, lovely antique zari border, broad border on one side will have a sleek woven border and full digital floral print, and the color is also very unique. It's charcoal grey color, beautiful color. It's a bluish grey color with again a lovely floral blouse piece shading. Who will say it's a 2990 sari? Lovely fall it will have, beautiful fall. Number 14, your all-time favorite. I've been coming up with many more colors and prints. This is Chanderi Kalamkari printing with Katha. Kalamkari digital printing with hand Katha, little sequence highlight. 2990 pallu. Throughout will have the Katha work. Closely I'll show you the work. Outlines will have Katha sequence with the border, and the body will also have the work. Katha sequence in Kalamkari with Ikkat border, all printed digitally with contrast bottle green printed blouse, and the body color is Kesar color. Rich pallu with Katha, 2990. Now some lovely colors in this. All the colors are very smart, sober, smart, and very, all complexion will look nice in this color with this rust blouse also. See the blouse piece for this. Achol, 2990, product number 15, Kalamkari Chanderi Katha. And yes, the blouse too will have a sleek border of Katha work. See this blouse. Peach, it's coral color. See the lovely combination. With tassels, only 2,990 rupees. Katha work. With blouse piece. 2990. Number 17, Pista. Please do not make any phone calls, message me. Definitely you will get, maybe little late because now there's rush in the showroom also, but you will definitely get the reply. Please wait. In case I miss out, then please resend the message once again. And if you need to talk in case of emergency, you can call the 983 number, the other number where you can call and for any kind of emergency, urgent, any messages you want to convey, you can call that number. Bottle green, see the colors, rust and bottle green, peacock kalamkari, pallu, tassels all over Katha. These I'm not draping because I've shown many prints earlier, and by now you know how, and There are umpteen bookings of these, so I keep showing new prints that comes, because the katha work also takes time. The blouse piece, maroon, it's a wine color rather. See the lovely print in the body with floral kalamkari border, traditional printing but in digitally done, digital printing throughout with katha, and only 2,990 rupees. This is the blouse piece combination. Sorry. Now something again different. Art silk. Price 2550, product number 20, 2550, right? Ikat, but printed. Pallu. It seems as if woven, but it is totally digitally printed. Temple ikat printed border. You see patola printed pallu. Art silk with magenta blouse piece in solid color. You know, and the body, it's looking like, you know, ghicha, but the printing is done in such a way that it seems as if it's a ghicha print. It has texture definitely, but you know, it's a, you know, from far it will look as if it's pure. Very good quality art silk. Only 2550. And even the colors, I'll show you some lovely colors. 2550. Peacock blue and mustard, rustish mustard. See the back side, you can understand its print. And I'll show you the texture closely. It just shows it is effect. It really moves well in our showroom. Those whoever comes, you know, they grab these kind of stuffs for gifting, for personal use also. I usually haven't shown these prints to you, but thought of showing since we have these products in our store now. Another one, black and reddish rust. It's a rustish red color, rather it's a red color, but it's burnt red. With of course a contrast red blouse piece. This is the blouse piece for this. We have stock in this now, 4-5 pieces each print, so you can first come first serve basis. Please WhatsApp to the number given, no phone calls, please WhatsApp only. Now mull cotton, Dabu prints in mull cotton. zari border, and it's a heavy quality mal. It's not the, the patla mal. These are very heavy quality mal cotton. Product number 23, only rupees 2000. This is the pallu. This is the blouse piece. It has a crack batik effect in the pallu and the print. See the body. It seems as if it's ikat woven, but it's print. Very smart it looks. Anytime you can wear, any occasion, these will never be out of fashion. Very comfortable, pure cotton. Only rupees 2000. $24. See, even I am wearing one of these. It's so comfortable and very fashionable. You can really wear junk jewelries, big junk jewelries. Like even one, I am wearing one also. These kind of junk jewelries you can wear with these saris. It looks very fashionable. This print, see how lovely the leaf print is. People leaf, throughout leaf print with just costa border. Narrow zari with this pallu, temple pallu, and this bandhej printed blouse piece. So see, the overall look is very, very smart and uncommon, even though it's a mal cotton with only rupees 2000, and it's really, really comfortable. And mal cotton is, many of you have, but see, these kind of prints we really think and then we do the printing, so it has to be so little hatke than the regular ones. Till the end. Till at night 3:34 I keep replying all the messages, so that I try to complete answering all the messages daily. Daily I complete at least till it's only 300-350 messages left. Till then I don't sleep. Even at 3 a.m. I'm awake. Every day I'm working. Every day almost 18 hours I'm working, but still I get so much of scoldings from you. I'm trying my best. This is just the very beginning. We are still on the learning process. We've never been online before this way. It was always, I always stressed on showroom sales, showroom customers, but due to this, I've been involved in this YouTube, this thing. So I'm trying my best to organize the whole thing. Please bear with me. This is also rupees 2000, a bright Rani color. Blouse piece. With all over lovely paisley print. See the color, gorgeous color, bright color. Even the young girls will look so pretty in this cotton. Those who have puja at house and the whole day they need to work, so this will be very comfortable for them. Rupees 2000, ideal for gifting also. The mannequin, the same print I had worn in mustard in previous episode. I still have so many orders for that. I have not been able to complete that order. Many of you are waiting for quite a few weeks for that order, but these prints, these colors were already on the process, so these have already come. The same print in black and brown, both two colors batik print with this blouse piece. Crack batik printed blouse piece, 2000 for this too, and I've made her wear katha cotton embroidered blouse, 1250 for the blouse, front and back fully Warli Golpo katha embroidery, that's 1250 for the blouse. It's available from size 36 to 38 and the sari is rupees 2000. And the last one, a lovely sari for you, 3500 Chanderi Banarasi Kalamkari printing. I simply love this saree. In fact, I've taken one for myself also. This is 3500. See the lovely kalamkari digital print, the color combination and the border. Antique zari, tone on tone. You know, I always like a little bit of shine, but at the same time not loud. It has to be very classy. The weave should be prominent, but it should be, you know, it should blend with the sari. All over gorgeous kalamkari print. One side narrow sleek border, the other side will have the broader woven paisley border with contrast blouse piece in bottle green. This I've printed quite a few, so I'm sure most of you will get them. This is the pallu. Thank you so much for watching. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata, and the neck piece that I'm wearing, it's also available. How much the price is? 2400 for the neck piece with this jhumka. It's garnet with maroon tassels. 2400, and my sari 2000 for my sari with this blouse piece. One side will have the broad border. So hope you like the episode. Thanks so much. Namaskar Shobbaike.